How to make shapes transparent in Google Slides. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In today's video, I'll show you a step-by-step guide on how to make your shapes transparent in Google Slides. So let's get started. Open up your Google Chrome and head over to your Google Slides. Now, to insert a shape, you can see the shape option at the top. Tap on it and then go to shapes and insert any shape of your choice. Just drag it. And as you can see that the shape fill is gray in color. Now to change it, go here to the fill color option and then change it to transparent, and you can see that it has turned transparent now. Now if you want to change the border color as well, then just tap on it again and then make the border color transparent, which is the pencil like icon, and there you go. Now the square the rectangle box is completely transparent. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.